How to fix the issue with McDonald's application not working. In this video, I will show you how can you easily fix the issue with McDonald's application. So without any delay, let's get into it. First and foremost, you need to check your Wi-Fi connection, whether the connection of the Wi-Fi in your device is alright or not. After you have checked the connectivity of your Wi-Fi, you need to head towards the website Down Detector. Here, you need to check the server report of McDonald's application. As you can see, user report indicates no current problem at McDonald's application. That means the issue is with your own device. After that, tap and hold on the app icon of McDonald's and there you will see the option of remove app. Simply click on it. After you uninstall the McDonald's application, again head towards App Store or Google Play Store if you are an Android device and then install the application. After that, when you try logging in with your account details, you will be able to use it smoothly. So that's it. That is how easily you can fix the issue with McDonald's application not working. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.